Greetings, programs. My name is Steven, and I have been a fan of Tron since I was a little boy and I first saw the film. And tonight, I'm thrilled to be here at TRON Lightcycle Run, presented by Enterprise, right here in the Magic Kingdom. I'm going to take you on a special tour of the entire queue and point out some details you won't want to miss. So, let's race to the grid. Okay, this is awesome. This looks like the laser that's from Tron Legacy in Kevin Flynn's workshop basement. It's found under his arcade, Flynn's Arcade, and this is the same laser that's going to digitize us and transport us to the grid. Now, if you listen carefully, you're going to hear a sound, and that sound means that other users are being transported to the grid to play the games. As users are digitized by the laser, they enter the pre-charge corridor. This looks like a circuit board, like I'm entering a computer on my way to be transported to the grid. Game on! So here we are about ready to be digitized onto the grid. This is very similar. That music you hear, that's very similar in Tron Legacy when Sam Flynn first enters the grid. The sirens, those are the ladies who are dressed in white. They come out and outfit him, getting ready to play the games. You can see the iconography that feels very much just like Tron Legacy. You'll see the repeating patterns of hexagons, which are found all throughout the grid and outside and inside. But this is one of my favorite parts, the anticipation of this, when we are digitized using that laser that's right outside. Play Lightcycle Run.
Prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Here it goes. We're on the grid!
Team Blue, welcome to the grid.
On your way to the games, you're going to pass by what's called an identity disc. Now, this is a disc that you receive when you get onto the grid, and everything you say, do, everything. This is your identity, and you carry this with you wherever you go. You're going to see our cast members with them. You're going to see it on Tron Lightcycle Run, but this disc is important when playing the games here on the grid. We're on our way to the games. We're going to pass through the Hall of Opponents. Now, these are other teams that are going to be racing on the grid. We're Team Blue. That's what we're going to be racing for today. We're going to pass by some of the programs. These are some of the most menacing programs that are on the grid. Team Red, Team Yellow, and Team Orange. And you can see some of their achievements as you walk down this way. Come on.
In the Lightcycle Run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you?
We're entering the sync chamber right before we get synchronized with our light cycle using that identity disc. Video game stats are incredibly important, and you're going to see a preview of some of those stats, previous opponents that have raced against Team Blue, Team Red, Team Yellow, Team Orange. There's even a little nod to Rinsler, who is a character from Tron Legacy, but I can't wait to get synchronized. This is going to be a great race. I've been a fan of Tron my entire life, and this is just exciting. This video doesn't do it justice. You really have to see this in person. So, I play video games better than anybody, and I want to race you. I'll see you on the grid. Greetings, programs.